My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I've worked over 10,000 cases. I've been doing this work since 1973. I'm a national expert in tax resolution. I've been on Fox, ABC, and a lot of the major stations. And what I like to do is, being a former agent, I've developed this kind of passion for YouTubers. I get a lot of comments, and it's kind of cool. But I'd like to go ahead and kind of tell you what IRS agents think. I like to tell you how to do things that you can't really read in blogs, because a lot of times people just want you to click on their site and then sell you something. But today I want to talk to you about how to get a federal tax lien released if you have not paid off the debt and the statute's expired. So if you have a federal tax lien filed against you and the 10-year statute of limitation is up, you have that federal tax lien. You need to get that released. If you do not pay the tax, IRS is not going to release the lien and give you a piece of paper. There is what's called a self-releasing lien. If you look at your federal tax lien, go get it. You can click it and pause me. You'll find out that about, 4 inches down from the top, it lets you know liens are self-releasing, that after the 10-year statute of limitation, the lien self-releases. So what does that mean? Honestly, it means nothing. First of all, you have to make sure you have a transcript and understand that the statutes have in fact blown. There's a date called the COLSED date, SCSED. It lets you know what the last day IRS can collect. If in fact that COLSED date shows the lien expires, technically it is in fact released. But if you want a paper copy, which you damn better get a paper copy, you've got to go ahead and click on IRS Tax Lien Leases, the Cincinnati Service Center. There will be on that link a page for tax lien leases. You can send it by mail or you can send it by e-fax. And what you should do is you should contact the e-fax division of the lien releases. They will go ahead and send you the hard copy of that lien release. You need the hard copy. IRS will not record it at the courthouse because there's a recording fee and you did not pay the recording fee. IRS will then send you by e-fax a copy of that lien release. It'll say Certificate of Release of Lien. Once you have that information and you have the hard copy, you go down to the courthouse and you give them that hard copy of that lien release. The person there, the clerk, will date stamp it in. Once it's date stamped in, make sure you get a copy of that back for yourself. Very important you do, because sometimes the credit bureaus and other people, or some people, miss the recording date. So when someone goes to pull your credit and they don't see the lien release because it didn't get put in or missed, you actually keep the hard copy of the lien and the lien release, and you can send it to them. Also, if these lien releases show up on credit reports, which past ones did, you can send that credit reporting agency the actual release. So once again, there's a 10-year statute of limitations. Number one, you've got to make sure the statutes are expired. If you're not sure, you can pay us, pay someone else. You need a copy of your transcripts to make sure that lien is released. After you get that, you e-fax the tax lien unit in the Cincinnati Service Center. You send a copy of the lien, you send them the request, your name, your best contact number. In about a month, depending on COVID or not, they will send you a hard copy back. You have the hard copy right now in your hand. You go ahead, you pay the recording fee at the county clerk's office. They will date stamp it in. It'll be put on public record in a couple days, and you have the hard copy. This is information no one's going to tell you but me. Please give me a subscription, because this was a damn good video today. If you have any questions, hit me up. You need me to do the work, we give free consultation. Appreciate you listening to me.